Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create a speedy truck CSS animation. We will show you how to create a speedy truck CSS animation step by step. So, let's get started.
The first step is to create an HTML markup for our speedy truck animation. The second step, we will add some CSS styling to our HTML markup.
That's it. We have created a speedy truck CSS animation that moves along the road infinitely. You can customize the animation by changing the duration, timing function, and iteration count. CSS animations are a great way to add visual interest and engagement to your website's design. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more web design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video valuable, give it a like and subscribe. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. If you have questions, ask below in the comments section. Add it to a playlist if you want to watch it later. If you need source code, please comment and get source code link.